Hello there and you're welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of a subject using Capcut. So let's begin. So I first begin by opening up Capcut. As you can actually see, the program is opened up right now. So the next thing I'll do is just create a new project. So we can see this large rectangle and say create a project. Now it's important to have at least a few videos at hand so you can actually import those videos and play around with them. But for this, I've actually recorded myself and I'm going to use my own video. So first I'll go to import and I'll go to a folder where I have my projects. Here I have my Sony cam clips. So I'll click this and hit open. So now that my camera clips have opened up, what I'm going to do is just select a section. So here you can see I can just click on this view and I'll just pause the audio for now, pause the video, and then drag this clip to any point I want. I think I'm going to start from here as the input point, and I'll go to the ending and drag this as my output point. So just that. So by doing this, it means I'm going to bring in that sample that contains just that small region. So let me go ahead and now pull this video down here and drag that. So here you can see we just have that short region rather than have the entire length of the video. So now that we have this video here on the track, let's go ahead and see how we can remove the background. So the first thing we'll need to do is to copy this video. We want to separate the character and the background. So by cutting the character, we can do whatever we want with the background. So I'll hold Alt, click and drag up like so, and you can actually see we've dragged this character right here. So what I'm going to do is to select this layer at the top and make sure you're on video and click remove background and just click auto removal and watch the magic happen. So here it's going to say okay, I think I clicked it twice real quick, so we can actually see that it's processing. So by processing, once it reaches 100%, we can actually see we've removed the background. So, and what we need to do next is to solo this layer by just hiding that visibility. So the layer on the bottom, click the eye icon and click that, and you can actually see this is our same video or your video with the background actually removed. And it does a really nice job, except for some weird artifacts in some points. So I'll go ahead and click this and bring this back. So what I'm going to do next is to add an effect on the layer at the bottom, which is our original layer without the cutout. So I'll just go to effects and go to lens, and then right here we just drag down till we see blur. Let's hope we haven't passed it. And there it is, blur. So I'll just click on that and drag that and put that underneath the layer under. Now with this, you can actually see the effect has been added and we've seen our background is blurred already. So what I'll do is just click this blur and set it to a very low value. I can just set it to say 5 instead of 50, and we can see how this looks already. So we can, I'm just going to mute this and just play the video.
This thing is performed.
Sorry, the one underneath is also unmuted, so I'll just mute both layers and then play the video. And you can actually see what we have right now. So we actually have a blurred background and it's kind of nice, right? So we could always edit the background. So if I put this back, if I just drag this back, click this layer and right click, we can go to edit effects. So we can now change that effect and increase the intensity if we want. But I think that value of 5 isn't such a bad value because it doesn't really kill the details in the background. So finally, I hope you've learned how to remove a subject from a background using Capcut. It's a very important skill to have, especially when you want to overlay or blur your background. Hopefully, I'll see you in the next Capcut tutorial.